Hello viewers, hope you all are well. My name is Susmita Sikdar and today I am showing you a Python program to check if the number is an Armstrong number or not. So let's start it. First we take input from user. So I am taking here num as a variable, and then we take integer input. That's why I am writing here int, then user input for input, and then within double quote I am writing here enter the number. Then we initialize sum. Sum, the initial value is always 0. Now we find the sum of the cube of each digit. Now we take Tim as a variable which is equals to num. Now we check the condition while Tim less than 0, digit is another integer, digit divided by 10, digit equals to Tim divided by 10. Then sum equals to sum plus equals to digit into 3, and then last checking is Tim equals to 10. Now time to display the result. If num equals to sum, then print num is an Armstrong number. Else is not an Armstrong number. Okay, now save the program. Okay, so let's time to run the program once. Now let's run the program. Enter a number. I am written here 345. Enter. 345 is not an Armstrong number. Okay. Now I run the program. 999. This is not an Armstrong number. Now I am written here 407. 407 is an Armstrong number. So I hope you understand how we create a Python program to check if the number is an Armstrong number or not. Thank you for watching the video.